What up with the wheelhouse, baby? You guys ready to hit it? You ready to get it? You ready to level up and get with it? Time to charge those batteries and get that money printer out because we are headed to the moon. Stack some chips and get paid out. Now, on this channel, no baby stepping, no line stepping, no loose talk, no second thoughts, and definitely no maybes. And like I always say, green lights to the beach, baby. So look, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe, hit like on the video, and select all so that you get the content coming out, okay? We do have a price prediction on Bitcoin to 99,802. If you go back through the videos, I explain why, using the fib circles, the structures, counting the days along the way, and that's where I came up with the price target. I don't see anything that's changing that quite yet, so I'm holding to the 99,802. Everything I basically said was going to happen on Bitcoin is happening. So last night in the Discord, we had the Wheelhouse Wednesdays. If you're not in the Discord, there's a link in the description below. We got the stock chat, crypto chat, my alerts, the one-on-one coaching with me, all the courses, other Jedis in there helping each other out. So it's real active. It's really fun. And you can just click the link and get in there. If you want to upgrade to the courses and the one-on-one, you can certainly do that in there. So last night we had the Wheelhouse Wednesdays and we had all the Jedis in there and we were going through a ton of charts and I was teaching these guys some tricks, how to trade and what to look for in the charts, and we were going through some technical analysis stuff, and it was great. It was really good. But one of the students, he's quite eager and he's already pretty far through some of the courses, and he gets in there and he says, "Chris, pull up the MFI that you taught in one of the courses." So I say, okay. If you guys aren't familiar with the MFI, it's the money flow index. So the RSI is the relative strength index, which tracks like the price, where the money flow index is like a line indicator that tracks the volume. And in one of the courses I teach about the MFI. And so I pull it up and immediately I see that we have a divergence going on. Okay, we have this divergence. So I draw on this line and I look at it and I say, okay, look, on the price action, from here, it's going up. So it's a divergence. And I had drawn in this green line because we had multiple wicks and it was following this trend. Okay. And I had let everybody know that right here, this was an important line, this 64,683.93, that we have to close above it in order to make sure that we're following that trajectory. Well, right now we're above it. And if we close above it, we're most likely going to be heading to $67,077.84. Okay, so I drew in this line, and then with the divergence from the length of time, it seems to end right here on November 26th. So on November 26th, with this line going up at this angle, I drew a fib wedge. Okay, I wanted to take a look at the fib wedge. So I came in here like this, and I realized that, oh my gosh, with the divergence, the time frame, the angle that we're going up, the fib wedge, where we land, that by November 26th, we are going to be at 73,273.82. 73,273.82. So, yeah. So basically, we want to close above this number today, the 64,754 area, and I believe we're a little bit above that. Let's look. Yeah, we're $350 above it or so. So as long as we close above that, we'll head to the 67,000, and then I think it's going to be a quick shot up to that 73,273 or whatever. So yeah, that's looking pretty bullish, and if you guys are looking for help with technical analysis or just how to navigate the markets, or the alerts, I mean, just look at all the alerts that I've done today. Picked up more SoFi, Dutch Brothers, Palantir, Hut Mining, Square, Asana, SM Energy, Crocs, ChargePoint, and then I moved CleanSpark, and I moved up a whole bunch of stops. So that's really helpful. So you can kind of follow my trades, and I know how to navigate these markets really well. I know how to get out when it's going to get dirty, and I know how to get right back in with the momentum, and just kind of like protect. If I didn't sell off a bunch, I would have lost a ton of money yesterday. and then, I bought back in super early and I'm up, big again today. So I kind of like skip a lot of damage by doing that. And I don't worry about price because I'm not really, overly worried about long term right now. I'm worried about getting in on momentum and technical entries and catching the meat of the move, whether that's 90% or 95% of the move. So, and then all day long, I'm just laddering up my stops. So I buy, and then it goes up and I move my stop. It goes up, I move my stop, goes up, move my stop, goes up, move my stop, and it comes down, boom, it just moves me to cash. And then, a day or two will go by where it's red and I kind of wait it out, watch the chart, and then boom, enter again and ride it again. I just keep rinse and repeat. So if you guys want to learn some of these tricks and techniques and how to not bag hold and stay in the right sector and just kind of just, make money daily, click the Discord link, hang out with the Jedis, get in the stock chat, the crypto chat, the Jedis, and if you want the one-on-one, you got that. I'm in there, I help out, I do charts all day, and yeah, it's real cool. So I appreciate you guys for stopping by, and welcome to the Wheelhouse.